New model 2025 on a 75 registration, Toyota Land Cruiser Commercial. This is an N1 tax efficient, VAT qualifying commercial vehicle, low benefit in kind. These are a new model to the UK. They've only just recently came out. We've had a few already, very high demand and a very long wait time from the main Toyota dealers. So this one's finished in pure white. They're a fantastic looking vehicle, lovely new retro sort of boxy style into the new model Land Cruiser. Big grille on the front with LED headlamps, front fog lights. 18-inch alloy wheels in dark grey. Got side steps, front and rear mud flaps. This is a 2-seat standard cab, essentially panel van, so fully commercial for your business. I'm going to open the side door here. The windows are blanked off in the rear. And you've got a fixed mesh bulkhead, rubber matting, faults for loads of space in the back. There's also companies out there now offering rear seat conversions for these, so you can turn it back into a 5-seat family car but still have it ran through as a commercial. So black badge into the rear with a Land Cruiser badge. We've got a split tailgate option, so glass hatch from the button, and then also power boot. With your button up there. So again, loads of room. Domestic plug socket in the rear. We've got lashing points for tying anything down. Underneath the rubber matting, there's some more storage under there. Very reliable vehicle, the Land Cruiser. It's renowned for being one of the world's best four-wheel drives. This is a 2.8 litre engine. Completely new shape vehicle compared to the last shape. We've got all the modern new style Toyota technology, new shape steering wheel, loads of technology in here. We've got heated seats, we've got ventilated cooling seats, electric driver's seat, auto lights, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, all the four-wheel drive settings there. USB ports, charging ports, lovely touchscreen navigation and the digital speedo. So this is a delivery mileage vehicle. It's only done 250 miles. We've got also a few more colours in stock, and we also offer our MASV black styling package, which consists of a full colour coding, 22-inch alloy wheels. Just to be a little bit different, we can also offer that on this white vehicle. So this is in stock, ready to go now. With owning one of these Land Cruisers, you get up to a 10-year manufacturer's warranty. So if you service this vehicle solely at the Toyota main dealerships, every year you get another year's warranty, up to 10 years, which is fantastic, and no other manufacturer really can offer that. So if you're after something new through your business to be tax efficient, something different, reliable, Land Cruiser may just be for you. So in stock now, give me a call, 0777 111 2040, and you can visit us online on www.ma-sv.co.uk. You'll find 20 plus photos, all the specification on the listing. Thank you for watching.